We're here to talk about the Space Settlement Design Tournament from Brownsville, Texas. Introduce yourself, tell us your school and how you heard about this competition.
My name is Maria Jose Morales. I go to St. Joseph Academy in Brownsville.
My name is Erasmo Alejandro Redeles. I'm 17 years old. I currently attend Overhand Early College High School.
Mario Rios. I'm from Los Fresnos High School. I'm a senior.
The description of it was pretty enticing. It was a weekend-long tournament where you collaborate with other high schoolers that are around your age in your cohort. So it sounded like a fun experience, so I joined.
I was very shocked and very excited for it. I didn't think it was going to be this intense.
How does it feel to work with somebody who helped design the International Space Station?
It's crazy. If I was really pursuing the role of an actor and like Tom Cruise was there and I would get to work with him and like this is International Space Station.
It's just going to make you somehow love the people you just met like 8 hours ago. And you're just going to have a blast staying up late instead of just being on your phone.
For the winning team, we will be contacting you. You will have a special tour of NASA Johnson. I really hope we can do that in person, but at the very least, we'll have a special virtual tour. The entire community here is improving, and we're beginning to really see ourselves as, yes, we are going to take the lead in this. We're going to show the world that we have a voice in what is about to happen in this next chapter.